Şimdi sizi Betty ile tanıştırayım. Betty, Legacy Ottoman Hotel'in Guest Relation Manager'ı. Şu an Betty ile birlikte Guest Relation Manager'ı, yani yapay zeka olan Guest Relation Manager'ı test ediyoruz. Ve karşımızda çok zor bir Google Review var. Misafir olumsuz bir review yazmış. RecepAI'ın Guest Relation Manager'ı yapay zeka nasıl handle edecek? Gördüğünüz gibi. Şimdi şöyle yapacağız aslında. Yani Betty bunu okurken şöyle aşağı doğru ineceğiz. Burada biz yapay zeka, burası 450 yıllık bir otel, çok güzel bir otel. Generate AI reply diyeceğiz. Misafir bayağı uzunca yazmış. Bakalım yapay zeka agent'ımız nasıl cevap verecek. Bakın reply generated. Hatta bunu biz anında birazdan Google'a da post edeceğiz. Ve aslında Betty'nin belki dakikalarca, belki bir saate yakın uğraşacağı şey saniyeler içinde oldu. Şimdi bakalım. Betty, can you please read and let us know if AI agent did a good job for replying this?
Yeah, I think the answer is very good.
Yeah,
it shows the apology and how we can solve the issue, and I just feel like maybe it's just a bit too long here.
Yeah,
like
yeah, that's a very good feedback. What we want is actually here, if you want to make it shorter, under settings, we come to review here, where we set everything. See response length. So if you want to, if you like generally short response, you can select short from here, and then you can save settings. And now let's go back to inbox, go to Google reviews, need reply, and which one was that?
Dawood.
This one? Oh, Dawood Akhtar, yes, let's select this one. And regenerate. But what I can suggest is, if you want, because that's very disappointing guest, what you can do is you can add additional prompt here by saying that please ask client to contact with me directly and I'll give him some additional discounts or free spa on their next stay. If you want to do these kind of things, you can add it here, so AI generates reply accordingly. But if you don't want to do something like that, again, Heritage Classic, generate AI reply. Most probably now it will give us a shorter answer, because see, now it's shorter because this is what we select. And if you are happy with the answer, all you need to do is just publish to Google. That's it. Then it's automatically go to the Google. This is how our AI guest relation manager helped real guest relation manager.